Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Once again, good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning once again. Now, children, all of you be ready with your English creative writing. All of you be ready with your English creative copies.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what we will do today?
Okay, first of all, tell me what we did last week. Because many of you wanted to read out, but the class got over. Isn't it? I remember.
Favorite after school activity.
Yes, your favorite after school activity. So anybody who was left or anybody who wants to read out what he or she has written?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Last week we did what is your favorite after school activity? What is that activity you do after the school gets over? And you wait to do that work. It could be anything. It could be playing, it could be reading, writing.
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, what is the topic?
Wait, children, let everybody join, then I'll speak.
Good morning once again, ma'am.
Ma'am, I
Once
want to
again,
speak
good
on my
morning.
topic. Ma'am,
Yes.
it is a which class?
Beta, this is your English creative writing class. There are still there are students left to join
And
the
we will do some activity.
activity. Which activity?
Ma'am, what is the topic?
Now listen, all of you listen to me very carefully. The last class we had of English creative writing, we did a topic, write your favorite after school activity. You had to describe that activity. You had to tell about your favorite after school activity in around 100 words, right? Many of you read it out after writing it. Many of you didn't get your turn to speak because the class got over. So all of you who are willing to read out what you wrote, who were wanting to read and could not read because of the shortage of time, you can read out and tell me what you have written. Anybody left to read? Anybody who was left and wants to tell?
Ma'am,
Last week?
Ma'am, can I come out? What, ma'am?
Yes, Kanav, read.
My favorite activity is drawing. I love to draw with different colors. Drawing gives me happiness.
Wow.
My most favorite time is when I come back from school because at that time I get free time to draw. I also love to draw fruits like mango, orange, and more drawing. My mother motivates me to draw more and more. My father and mother gives me pencils, sketches, colors, etc. to draw. I also love to draw scenery and cartoons. I do not waste time and draw it in free time. Thank you.
Very nice. Very nicely written, Kanav. Beautiful.
Ma'am, can I tell Shobit Gupta?
Yes, Shobit.
So, ma'am, I love playing carom. I play this game at my home with my mother. This is a very interesting game that everyone likes to play. Carom can be played by at least 2 and a maximum of 4 people.
Very
It is
good.
an no carom is my favorite game.
It is an, what did you say? It is an?
It is an Indo carom is my favorite game.
Okay, it is an indoor game and it is my favorite game.
Ma'am, can I tell Varshita?
Very nicely written, Shobit, but beta, I don't think these are 100 words.
Ma'am, can I tell Varshita?
You can explain, listen, wait. you can describe and explain a little more about this game. Okay?
Ma'am, can I, Varshita?
Yes, Varshita.
After a long day of classes, when I feel tired, I like to do craft.
Wow.
I make roses, bracelets, and few more crafts with paper, color paper, and chart paper. I like to learn more crafts and drawings. I feel relaxed after doing any craft activity. I would love to learn craft and art with the help of the things that are not of any use or waste, items or trash. Items like newspaper, cartons, water bottle, etc. The activity which we do after a whole day of stress will make our body and mind stress free and relaxed.
Varishta, that's very nice. Have you written it or you've taken somebody's help to write it?
I written it.
Wonderful. You write very nice, huh?
Ma'am, may I read Arav Gupta?
Yes, Arav.
Okay. After school, I like to play Garena Free Fire. It is a mobile game. There are
What is
so
the name
many.
of the game?
Ma'am, Garena Free Fire.
Okay. Then,
In this game, there are so many modes like Classic Bermuda, Kalahari, Clash Squad, Training Mode, and Training Mode. There are so many characters like Chrono, Antonio, Wukong, and Jack character. Jack character and Chrono character are based on two people. The Chrono character is based on Cristiano Ronaldo. He is a footballer. And the Jack character is based on Hrithik Roshan, who is a
Bollywood superstar.
Bollywood superstar, Bollywood actor. I admired this game and I am playing this game from years. In this game, there is a new update, and in this update there are so many modes changes like Clash Squad. Clash Squad turned into in ranked Clash Squad and the remastered Clash Squad, and the Classic Bermuda is changed into remastered Classic Bermuda. Thank you.
Okay, Arav. Very nice, beta. Half of the thing you had written. And the best part was the second half that you spoke was not written in your copy, right? Am I right? But the
Yes,
good thing
ma'am.
is you were speaking on your own on the spot. That's the best thing I liked about it. So now you have to complete it because I'm sure when you'll write it, you'll write even better. And
Yes, ma'am.
you made a very good try. Keep it up.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I tell my copy?
Yes, Atharv Gupta.
Ma'am, can I tell? Okay, ma'am.
I play.
My name is Goda. Good morning, everyone. My name is Agawaka.
Beta, pehle,
Today my
before speaking, first of all, keep your camera on.
okay, ma'am. One.
Atharv Gupta, beta, what's wrong?
Ma'am, please give me 1 minute. I am coming.
After Atharv Gupta, who wants to speak?
Ma'am, I Akshita.
Akshada, all right.
Ma'am, now I am ready. Good morning, everyone. My name is Akavata. Today, my topic is my favorite game. My favorite game is Free Fire. It is a shooting game. I play it with my friends and brother. It is a video game. I kill many people with my team. It has all types of gun. Example are sniper, RPG, minigun, and shotgun. It has many houses where are many weapons. It has a safe zone cover and it also have many transport. It is my number one game. Thank you.
Okay, very nice.
Ma'am, can I speak Mokshit?
Yes, Akshada and Mokshit both want to speak. So Akshada told first. So Akshada, you can speak, and after Akshada, Mokshit, you will get your turn to speak.
Hello everyone, my name is Akshada Tiwari. Today I am going to tell you about my favorite after school activity, that is Taekwondo. It's an activity which helps us to keep us safe from strangers. It's a type of activity which helps us to be fit and healthy. Once we learn Taekwondo, we can handle any dangerous situation. It makes us feel joy. It's my cherished activity.
नहीं 100 वर्ड का नहीं है
That's all, beta?
Yes,
Okay. So very nicely written, Akshada, but again I feel that it's too short. It is not 100 words. Do you think it's 100 words?
no, ma'am, there is 70 words.
Okay, so write a little more explaining about the game, about this sport, or maybe how you like this sport, how you got into it, and how much time do you spend playing it, practicing it. Okay, you can add on a little few things.
Okay, ma'am.
And now can I speak
Very-
Mokshit? Ma'am, now can I speak Mokshit?
Beta, wait, it's Mokshit's turn now. Yes, beta.
Hello, today I am going to tell you about my favorite activity. My favorite activity is painting. I like to do the painting. I am a good painter. I like to make the pictures and fill color in them. The painting is a very good activity and I like that so much. From my school, I got too much things for painting now, so I am so happy. I do the painting at least 1 hour. Thank you.
Very nice, beta. Good. Okay, anybody else who wants to speak?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Akhya.
When I am in school, I am in learning mode. But when I came back to home, I am in playful and enjoyment mode. For energy, I eat some food and juices. And then I go to my friend's house. When I come back to my home, I tired and sleep. When I wake up, I play badminton. That helps us to keep fit and healthy. It is 2 or 4 players game. Play that 2 or 4 players play. That's why it is my favorite after school activity.
Akhya, what is this last line, beta? It's a 2-player or a 4-player game. Then after that, what you've written?
It's a 2-player or 4-player games,
Yes.
and that's why it is my favorite after school activity.
Okay, that's your favorite after school activity. That's right. But it's a 4-player game or a 2-player game. That is why it's your favorite activity. That line is not very nice, beta. That line is not making any sense. So better change the ending, beta. Okay. It gives you joy. It gives you relaxation. You play badminton, that makes you feel nice, fit and healthy. That's why that's your favorite activity. But this last line is not about it being your favorite activity. Okay, it is about the sport. How it is played. Either it is played in two players or it's played in doubles. That is 4 players. That's the explanation about the sport. Okay. Okay, now anybody else wants to say, wants to speak, wants to read out? Now children, let's do one thing. Just tell me what all topics have you done in this English creative writing? Which all topics have been covered?
Character development.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I tell?
Write a
Beta, one person has already started telling. Yes, Yashmit.
character development in which we have to write about our favorite character, cartoon character or movie character. Then ma'am have given
Yeah.
us a homework. Write a paragraph about your favorite cartoon or movie character with the help of the hint point. Next is in about 100 words, describe your favorite person. Next is lesson 2, personal narratives, in which we have to tell about our favorite game. It is informal writing. Then we have to
Okay.
do a last is what is your favorite after school activity?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, my 100 words are completed.
Okay, very nice, very good. Now, we've done 4 topics till now. Favorite game, favorite after school activity, your favorite cartoon character, and your favorite person. Right?
We have done 5.
These 4 topics you've done.
5.
Yes?
And we have done 5 topics: a character development, a paragraph writing, a favorite personal.
Okay, character development also you have done. Now today, see, I'll give you a topic, I'll give you something to write. What that thing is, just write down today's date. Yes, if you will not be able to complete it in the class, then you will be doing it at home after your school. Okay? So write down what you have to do. Write down today's date.
Ma'am, please tell what we have to do.
I'm telling you, beta, I'm telling
What's
you.
the
Please
topic?
wait. The topic is, let me just see, just a minute. Okay, today's topic is informal letter. Write down informal letter.
Ma'am, written.
Written now, your letter. Yes, this.
Listen.
Now listen, I will tell you what you have to write. In this informal letter, the letter you are writing is to your friend. You have come to know that your friend is ill. Your friend is not well. Okay, just listen to me. Don't write right now. Your friend is not well and you are writing her or him a letter asking about his or her health. Okay, you're inquiring about his health, and you are also wishing him a speedy recovery. Fine. Now I'm typing in the chat box. Write down what letter it is. Your content of the letter will be what I'm typing in the chat box. Okay.
And that when we have to write full address.
Yes, I will tell you. I will tell you. First, let me write informal letter. Then what kind of a letter it is? We are going to do two informal letters. So the first one is write a letter to your friend.
We have to write full date, address, and everything.
Yes. Okay. Now write the question. Write a letter to your friend inquiring about his health and also wishing him speedy recovery. All of you see in the chat box?
And so we will start from
You will start by writing the address and the date on which you are writing the letter, and then addressing your friend, whatever his or her name is.
first we have to write a date, then full address, and then
No, first you have to write the address. First you have to write address, then you have to write the date, and then your friend's name. Clear?
okay, ma'am. And then we have to at the last when we will write the letter, we will write our name.
Yes, then your name. The name of the one who is writing the letter.
And write who who are related.
Yes, how you are related to that person. Of course, that person knows how you are related to him. You're
Excuse
writing a
me,
letter
ma'am.
to your friend, no?
I will
Ma'am, ma'am, we have to write this question also. Write a letter to a
Yes,
friend.
yes. और क्या बेटा, और क्या? You have to write it. Write it as under the heading, no? What letter it is? It is a letter to your friend asking about his or her
Okay, ma'am.
health.
Ma'am, can I speak on my favorite thing?
Yes, Jasrina, you were left to speak.
My favorite thing which I do after the school is drawing with my sister. She helped me to draw things with my things because my sister's drawing is not as good as her. My sister's drawing
Is not as good as what? My sister's drawing is not as good as?
good as her.
Whose drawing is not as good? Your drawing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, my drawing is not as good. Okay, then.
My sister's drawing is amazing. Her sketching is very good. So she supervised me how to draw and color. But I love to do coloring with colors. Fascinate me a lot. Thank you.
Very nice, Jasrina, but it's very short. Very short.
And ma'am, can I tell what is the meaning of supervise?
Okay, tell.
Ma'am, help and fascinating attract.
And where
No,
do you live?
supervise is helping and assisting. And fascinating
Yes,
is something else. Fascinating is attractive.
Yes, ma'am.
Something that attracts you, that takes your attention is fascinating.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, yes, beta. Who is asking what?
And now what? Next, what we have to do?
Beta, see, I have written the topic in the chat box. You have to write informal letter to your friend. Now read
Okay,
from
ma'am.
there what letter it is.
And ma'am, how many words?
It can be like 5 lines approximate. See, when you letting your friend know that you came to know about how sick or unwell he is, and whatever illness he's suffering from, whichever fever it is, whichever illness he's going through, that could be any kind of a fever, that could be any kind of a disease like cold, cough, or anything, then telling him about how sorry or how bad you feel about his or her health. After that, you will wish him a speedy recovery, and how you're going to wish for him, how you're going to pray for him to God, like that.
Okay, ma'am.
It is not about words, it's about like a complete, your letter should be complete. It should cover up all the points.
Ma'am, around 5 lines.
No, better not 5, at least 7 to 8 lines would come.
Okay, ma'am.
And where do
You
you
can
live?
write in the letter, you can tell your friend to take proper rest, to eat proper, take proper diet and everything. Things like this, like how you talk to your friends.
Ma'am, which work you have sent in the chat box, that is our homework.
Beta, what I have written in the chat box is your work that you have to do right now. If you're not able to complete it right now, you can do it later, after the school gets over.
Bareilly.
Ma'am, can we write the name of our friend?
First, you will write the name of your friend.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to write
And on the
addresses
top,
also.
yes, your address. On the top of the letter, what you do, you have to write your address on the left hand
And
side.
ma'am, date and
Then the date on which you are writing the letter.
Okay.
And then you have to address your friend.
And address
Mute
also.
yourself. Beta, address as in you have to write dear or sweet, whatever, however you call your friend.
We have
Yes,
to write our friend's address also.
No, beta, not your friend's address. Inside the letter, you write your own address. Inside the letter comes the address of the writer. Okay, you are the writer, so you will write your address. Then you will write today's date. And then you will write dear friend, whatever the name of the friend is. Mute yourself.
Ma'am, I have done.
Any name?
Yes, beta, any name, because it is not in the it is not mentioned in the letter. No, any particular name is not mentioned. So you can write any name of your friend.
Ma'am, I have done Samar Singh.
My God, so soon.
I am writing this.
Ma'am, can I tell?
This to just current because just
No, beta, no, don't tell. Please let everybody write. Let everybody write right now. We'll discuss it next week in the next class, whenever we have our next class.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, what is the meaning of speedy recovery?
Recovery is when you uh, start to get fine. Speedy is in good speed, quickly. So your friend, when your friend will fall ill, you would want him to get recovered quickly, no? Would you want your friend to be ill for a long time?
No, ma'am.
You would want him to recover quickly. So that is a speedy recovery.
ma'am, I am writing
Okay.
about ma'am. I am writing on just currents.
Oh my God, you have written Jaskaran's name.
Yes, ma'am. He is my
Oh.
best friend, and we both live in a same society.
Same society. In which society do you live?
Spurs Green apartment.
Where?
Spurs Green apartment.
Spursh Green Apartments. Okay, very nice.
Behind Softies school.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I have done my informal letter.
Very nice. Good speech.
Ma'am, can I speak?
Can I?
Ma'am,
No,
can
beta,
I?
not now. Not now. Let everybody do the work.
Okay.
Ma'am, please excuse me for a second, please.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I have done.
Very nice, beta. Very good.